Let's see. Remember us when you are famous. Okay. Ooh, what's this package? Let's see. It's from storedj.com.au. Sweet. Okay. Let's cut this. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I should cut that one here. Okay. Whoa! What is this? It's a Rodecaster Pro. Wow. Ooh. A little bit smaller. All right. This is cool. Da-da. Yeah. From Manny's. Thank you. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. Rodecaster. A little bit smaller than the previous one. Done. Where do I open this? That side? Your side? Or just pull it up? And do this. So probably on that side? No. Ah, okay. So this side. Whoa, the most advanced look. of the next level audio. So it's a mic. So we got cable to cable. Sweet. Oh, amazing. Look, small compared to the previous. So smaller than before. So we got that. Mhm. So the Rodecaster Pro II, it's a little bit smaller than the previous set from the previous one. So it's like lighter, much built. A little bit heavy compared to the old one. So you got headphone, you got 4 microphone. So they make it compact from the previous one. So we're just gonna power up this. Power up. Power up a USB-C as well. So alright. Just gonna power up this. Just gonna power up. Ooh. So we got 2 cable. We got 2. How cool is that? Rodecaster Pro. Sweet. Just gotta take a picture. Let's see. So that's it for this one. So just gonna set up this. Wi-Fi. Join a network. So just search it. That's it. So I got the new Rodecaster that we're gonna use for my podcasting and other things, audio storytelling, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing. See you again. in 2 weeks' time.
Are you ready to finally start your own podcast? Maybe you already have one, but need a podcast manager to help you level up. We're here for either. Book a call at www.kangaroofern.com. www.kangaroofern.com.